Okay. Hello students, today we will learn heap sort. How to perform sorting by using heap sort technique. Now we have studied tree data structure. Tree data structure is a simple data structure which looks like this on paper. So this is one node. It is bifurcated into these two. It is bifurcated into these two. So this node which is at the root is called a root node. This node which is having some more bifurcations, this may be called as a parent node, and the node which do not have any further bifurcation is called as a leaf or child node. So this kind of structure is what called as a binary tree, and in the heap sort we are going to use the binary tree data structure. Now the binary tree in which every node is having at least two childs is called as a complete binary tree. It is called as a complete binary tree. And the node or the tree structure which carries at least one node which do not have two bifurcations, which do not have two children. So this is what empty, you can see this is empty. So this kind of tree structure is called as incomplete binary tree. So we are going to use this complete binary tree data structure and incomplete binary tree data structure in our heap sort technique. Now let us see two more terminologies which we are going to use in heap sort, that is min heap and max heap. Now what do you mean by min heap and what do you mean by max heap? In the min heap you can see, okay, I'll show you what do you mean by min heap. Min heap is what? The root node carries minimum number from the tree data structure. It carries minimum number from the tree data structure. So here you can see that in this tree 1 is at the root position and further bifurcated into 2, 3, 2 is into 4, 5, 3 is into 6, 7. So here you can say that the minimum from all these number is 1 and which is situated at root positions. This structure is called as min heap data structure. And max heap data structure is exactly opposite to this. So you can say like 6, 5, 2, 4, 1, 3. So this way here you can see from all these numbers 7 is the maximum one and it is situated at root position, and so this is called as max heap. So min heap carries smallest number at root position and max heap carries largest number at the root position. So when you are performing your heap sort using min heap, it gives you ascending order. And when you use max heap, it gives you descending order. So this way the min heap and max heap data structures you are going to use in the heap sort. Now students will see by taking an example how to convert the given list into a sorted list using max heap tree data structure. Now let us consider the list first. So this is what the list I am writing: 12, 15, 9, 23, 14, 19 and 10. Suppose these are the numbers which you want to arrange in a sorted order using heap sort technique. Now first step, we will create a tree. In the step 1 we will create a tree, a simple binary tree we are going to create. So 12, then 15, then 9. So you have to remember one thing, that the first number from the list goes to the root position, second number goes to the left side position, next number goes to the right side. Now coming next number will go to left side of the left number, then next number goes to right side of the left number, then next number goes to left side of the right number, and so on. So this way we have constructed a tree. In the step 1, a tree is constructed. Now our step is to create a min heap tree so that we can arrange it in a ascending order. Now how this will be done? To do this activity, what we have to do? We have to compare the subtrees. We have to compare the subtree, and every subtree must be in a min heap position. Then while checking all those subtrees, you can achieve the min heap position. So for this particular tree diagram, we have this as a subtree. Okay, we have these as a subtree, and we have these 3 as a subtree. So every 3 nodes in this manner will be the subtree. So this is subtree 1, this is subtree 2, and this is subtree 3. So what we will do now? So these are the subtrees, subtree 1, subtree 2, and subtree 3. Now what we'll do? We'll start from bottom left subtree. So seeing towards this subtree, we found that 15, 23 and 14, these are the 3 numbers, and we found that 14 is smaller. So what we'll do? We'll shift 14 upside and 15 downside. So our tree will become 12, 14 will go up, 23 as it is, 15 will come down, this is 9, this is 19, and this is 10. Now we'll coming towards this subtree. Here you can see that 9, 19 and 10. Here you can see 9 is at up position, so no need of shifting. Then we'll compare this subtree. After comparing these 3 numbers, 12, 9 and 14, again we found that we have to shift 9 upwards. So after shifting, our tree will become 14, 23, 15, then 12 will come down, 19 and 10. So again we'll check this subtree. There is no change in this, so no need of shifting. Here we will check again, and again we find that 10 is to be shifted because 12 is greater than 10. So again our tree will become 9, 14, this 23, 15 as it is, and 10 will be shifted upwards, 19 as it is, and 12 will be shifted downwards. So again we will compare. So comparing this, we found that 14 is smaller. Okay, so by comparing these 3, we found 14 is smaller. So this check is okay one. Now we'll compare this, and we found that 10 is smaller. So this is also okay subtree. Now we'll compare this, and we found that this subtree is also okay. So every subtree in this tree is okay one. So this tree is called as a min heap. So min heap is created. Now what is the next step? Step 2 is to get this root node out. So 9 you will take out 9, and you have to shift the last number from the tree with the 9th position. So you have to replace the last number with 9th position. So in this tree the last number is 12. So last number is what? On the last level, last number. So this is 1 level, this is 2nd level, and this is 3rd level. So at this level last number is 12. So 12 will be shifted at the position of 9. and hence our tree will become 12, then 14, 10, 23, 15 and 19. So this is our new tree. Now again we will go subtree wise. So compare this subtree and you found that this subtree is okay. Compare this subtree and you found that this subtree is also okay. Now compare this subtree and you found that you need to shift 10 upwards. So you will shift 10 upwards and your tree will become 10, 14, 23, 15, 12 will be shifted down and 19. So after shifting we will again compare the subtree. Comparing this you found that this is okay subtree. Comparing this you found that this is also okay subtree. Compare this and you found that this is also okay subtree. It indicates that mean heap is created. As mean heap is created, you have to take 10 out and the last number from the tree will be shifted to the tens position. So now last level is this one. Last number in this level is 19. So 19 will be shifted and 10 will be taken out in the sorted array. So our new tree will be 19, 14, 12, this is 23, this is 15. So we'll compare this and you found that this is okay subtree. You compare this and you found that this is not okay. 12 is required to be shifted because 12 is the smallest one. So your tree will become 12, 14, 23, 15 and 19. So now you will check this subtree, okay one, this subtree, okay one. So you got that mean heap created. So mean heap is created, 12 will be taken out. 12 will be taken out and last number from this tree is now 15. Last level, last number 15. So 15 will be shifted at 12th position. So our new tree will become 15, 14, 19 and 23. So this is our new subtree. By checking this you found it is okay. This is another subtree and you found it is not okay. 14 is to be shifted upwards. So our new tree will become 14, 15, 23, 19. So now again checking this subtree, okay one. Now check this subtree, this is also okay one. So you will take 14 out and last number from the tree is 23. 23 will be replaced with 14. So our new tree will become 23, 15 and 19. Till now we have taken the numbers in the sorted array like 9 is shifted, then 10 is shifted, then 12 is shifted, then 14 is shifted. Now we got this subtree. So comparing this subtree you come to know that 15 is smaller, so 15 is to be shifted. So new tree will be 15, 23, 19. Okay one. So 15 will be taken out and will be kept in the sorted array. So our new tree will become, and the last number from the tree will be replaced with 15. So 19 will go upwards. 19, 23 will be our new tree. Now by comparing this you found that this is okay one. So 19 will be taken out and your tree will remain as 23 only. So 23 will be taken out. So this way you got a sorted list using the heap sort technique. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.